Imagine a world of towering trees, icy mountains, and fierce seas. This is the world of Norse mythology, where gods and giants clash and heroes battle mythical beasts. These stories, passed down through generations of storytellers, offer a glimpse into the beliefs and values of the Vikings, fierce warriors who sailed the seas over 1,000 years ago. The Norse myths are not just tales of adventure and magic. They are a reflection of the Viking worldview. They speak of courage and strength, of fate and free will, of the struggle between order and chaos. From the creation of the world to its eventual destruction, these stories offer a rich tapestry of characters and events that continue to fascinate us today. Join us now as we embark on a journey through the 9 realms, the mythical worlds of Norse mythology, and meet the gods and goddesses who inhabit them. Prepare yourself for tales of thunder and lightning, of cunning tricks and epic battles, and discover the enduring power of these ancient stories. High above the world, in the majestic hall of Valhalla, sits Odin, the All-Father, the king of the gods. This grand hall, perched amidst the misty mountains, is a place of awe and reverence where the bravest of warriors are welcomed after their final battle. It is a realm where the echoes of ancient songs and the clashing of swords create a symphony of valor and honor. With his long white beard and piercing gaze, Odin is a figure of both wisdom and power, respected and feared by all. His presence commands attention, and his eyes, though one is missing, seem to see through the very fabric of reality, discerning truths hidden from mortal eyes. He is associated with knowledge, war, magic, and poetry, a god of many facets, each more intriguing than the last. As a warrior, he leads the gods into battle, his strategies and prowess unmatched. As a poet, he inspires the skalds, the ancient storytellers, to weave tales of heroism and adventure. His mastery of magic, or Seda, allows him to alter fate and see into the future, making him a god of destiny and transformation. Odin's thirst for knowledge is legendary. It is said he sacrificed one of his eyes to drink from the well of Mimir, gaining infinite wisdom but at a great cost. This well, hidden deep within a mystical forest, holds the secrets of the cosmos, and Odin's sacrifice symbolizes his relentless pursuit of understanding, no matter the personal cost. He also hung himself from the world tree, Yggdrasil, for 9 days and nights, pierced by his own spear, to gain knowledge of the runes, the ancient Norse alphabet. This act of self-sacrifice was not just a quest for knowledge, but a profound ritual that connected him to the very essence of the universe, allowing him to unlock the mysteries of existence. This act of self-sacrifice demonstrates his unwavering commitment to understanding the mysteries of the universe. It is a testament to his belief that true wisdom often requires great personal sacrifice, and that the path to enlightenment is fraught with challenges and trials. Odin is often depicted with his 2 ravens, Hugin and Munin, who fly throughout the 9 realms, bringing him news and information. These ravens, whose names mean thought and memory, are extensions of Odin's mind, allowing him to see and hear everything that happens in the world. They are his eyes and ears, ensuring that no secret remains hidden from the All-Father. He is also accompanied by 2 wolves, Jerry and Freki, symbols of his strength and ferocity in battle. These wolves are not just his companions, but also his protectors, embodying the raw power and untamed spirit that Odin himself possesses. They are a reminder of his dual nature as both a wise ruler and a fierce warrior. These animal companions highlight Odin's connection to the natural world and his ability to command its forces. His bond with these creatures reflects his deep understanding of the balance between civilization and nature, and his role as a mediator between the two. As the All-Father, Odin is a complex and enigmatic figure, a god who embodies both the wisdom and the harsh realities of the Viking world. His stories and legends continue to inspire and captivate, reminding us of the timeless quest for knowledge, the power of sacrifice, and the enduring spirit of adventure that defines the human experience. When thunder roars and lightning flashes across the sky, the Vikings knew it was Thor, the god of thunder, riding his chariot across the heavens. His chariot, drawn by 2 colossal goats, Tangrisnir and Tangnjosta, would rumble through the clouds, creating the thunderous sounds that echoed across the land. With his mighty hammer Mjolnir, Thor is the protector of both the gods and mankind, defending them against the forces of chaos and destruction. Mjolnir, a weapon of immense power, was said to be capable of leveling mountains and shattering the strongest of defenses. He is a symbol of strength, courage, and righteousness, a god who inspires awe and admiration. Thor's presence on the battlefield was a beacon of hope for his allies and a harbinger of doom for his enemies. Thor is the son of Odin and the earth goddess Jord, and his strength is legendary. His lineage endowed him with the wisdom of the All-Father and the raw, untamed power of the earth itself. He is said to be able to level mountains with a single blow of his hammer, a testament to his unparalleled might. The very ground would tremble under his feet, and the skies would darken in his presence. And to drink a vast amount of ale in one go. Thor's love for feasting and merriment was well known, and he was often the life of the celebration, his laughter as loud as the thunder he commanded. His adventures and exploits are some of the most popular in Norse mythology, filled with battles against giants, monsters, and other threats to the order of the cosmos. These tales were passed down through generations, each story more thrilling than the last, capturing the imagination of all who heard them. One famous myth tells of Thor's journey to the land of the giants to retrieve his stolen hammer. This perilous quest took him through treacherous landscapes and into the heart of enemy territory. Disguised as the goddess Freya, he must use his wit and cunning to outsmart the giant king, Thrym. The ruse was a testament to Thor's versatility, showing that he was not just a brute force, but also a clever strategist. This tale showcases not only Thor's strength, but also his cleverness and humor, making him a more relatable and endearing figure. His ability to laugh in the face of danger and to use his wits to overcome obstacles endeared him to the hearts of many. Thor represents the ideal Viking warrior, strong, brave, and always ready to defend his people and his homeland. His legacy is one of heroism and resilience, a beacon of hope and a symbol of the indomitable spirit of the Norse people. Where Odin represents wisdom and Thor embodies strength, they are the pillars of the Norse pantheon, each symbolizing a crucial aspect of the Viking ethos. Odin, with his one eye and vast knowledge, is the seeker of wisdom, often sacrificing for the greater good. Thor, on the other hand, is the protector, wielding his mighty hammer Mjolnir to defend Asgard and Midgard from giants and other threats. Loki is a god of a different sort, a trickster, a shapeshifter, a master of manipulation. Unlike the straightforward nature of Thor or the contemplative wisdom of Odin, Loki thrives in the grey areas where rules are bent and boundaries are pushed. His very essence is fluid, ever-changing and unpredictable. With his mischievous grin and glinting eyes, Loki's presence is both captivating and unsettling. He embodies the spirit of chaos, a necessary force that disrupts the status quo and challenges the established order. Loki is a force of chaos in the otherwise orderly world of the Norse gods, constantly pushing boundaries and testing the limits of their patience. His actions often lead to unforeseen consequences, creating ripples that affect gods and mortals alike. Constantly pushing boundaries and testing the limits of their patience, his antics, while often troublesome, serve as a catalyst for growth and change, forcing the gods to adapt and evolve. Loki is a son of giants, a lineage that sets him apart from the Aesir gods. This heritage imbues him with a unique perspective, one that straddles the line between the divine and the monstrous. Adopted by Odin as a blood brother, Loki's place among the gods is both a privilege and a point of contention. This bond with Odin grants him a level of acceptance, yet it also places him under constant scrutiny. Yet his loyalty to the Aesir gods is always in question. His actions, often driven by self-interest or sheer curiosity, make him a wild card in the divine hierarchy. He is a master of disguise, able to change his form at will. This ability allows him to navigate different realms and situations with ease, often giving him an advantage over his more rigid counterparts. Able to change his form at will, a talent he uses to both help and hinder the gods in equal measure. Whether transforming into a fish to escape capture or a mare to seduce a stallion, Loki's shape-shifting is a testament to his cunning and resourcefulness, a talent he uses to both help and hinder the gods in equal measure. His actions, while often self-serving, sometimes result in unforeseen benefits for the gods, blurring the lines between ally and adversary. He is cunning and persuasive, often using his words to trick others into doing his bidding. His silver tongue can turn friend against friend and sow discord among even the closest of allies, often using his words to trick others into doing his bidding, even if it means causing mischief and mayhem along the way. His schemes are intricate, weaving a web of deception that ensnares gods and mortals alike, even if it means causing mischief and mayhem along the way. While Loki's actions often lead to trouble, they also serve as a reminder of the unpredictable nature of life and the necessity of adaptability. While Loki's actions often lead to trouble, he is also responsible for some of the most significant events in Norse mythology. His role in the creation of Mjolnir, Thor's hammer, and the binding of the wolf Fenrir are just a few examples of his impact on the mythological narrative. He is also responsible for some of the most significant events in Norse mythology. His cunning and resourcefulness often lead to outcomes that, while initially chaotic, ultimately shape the destiny of gods and men. He is the father of creatures like the monstrous wolf Fenrir and the world serpent Jormungandr, beings destined to play a key role in the events of Ragnarok. These offspring, born of his union with the giantess Angrboda, are harbingers of doom, their very existence a testament to Loki's complex nature. Beings destined to play a key role in the events of Ragnarok, the end of the world. Loki's actions and progeny are inextricably linked to this apocalyptic event, underscoring his role as both a creator and a destroyer, the end of the world. Loki's ambiguous nature, both loved and feared, makes him one of the most complex and fascinating figures in Norse mythology. His duality reflects the multifaceted nature of existence, where good and evil, order and chaos are often intertwined, makes him one of the most complex and fascinating figures in Norse mythology, a constant reminder that even in a world of gods and monsters, nothing is ever truly black and white. Loki's story is a testament to the power of transformation and the inevitability of change, a constant reminder that even in a world of gods and monsters, nothing is ever truly black and white. His presence in the pantheon serves as a reminder that chaos and order are two sides of the same coin, each necessary for the balance of the universe. Nothing is ever truly black and white. Loki's tale is a rich tapestry of contradictions, a narrative that continues to captivate and intrigue, reminding us of the complexity of the human condition and the ever-present dance between chaos and order.